Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Real treat here for everybody today. Another 19 Ram 1500. This one is a two-wheel drive and has the upgraded 12-inch screen package on it. So once we're done with, we're going to do a level kit for this vehicle. Once we're done with the level kit, we'll do a little bit of a spot on the interior. This vehicle belongs to a previous customer of mine, Ryan. We did a YouTube video on his Chevrolet a year or two ago, and he was really happy with the service previously, so he asked if we could help him out again with the level kit. So we're going to do it, and then we're going to check out the interior of this truck. Okay, and the level kit is done, and as promised, I'm going to do a little bit of an after video. We have done a few videos of the new 19 Rams before, and I'll tell you, it's not getting old. If I'm not mistaken, this truck has won a few awards already, and it's no wonder why, because it is a darn good looking truck. I mean, just look at that stance. And this is just a level kit. This is the Laramie package. It's all blacked out, obviously, and it's a two-wheel drive. So I'm not surprised he went with just a level kit, but the level kit will allow for an increase in wheel and tire package down the road. Once he wears these tires down, he did say that he was looking at increasing the tire. But man, what an all-around good looking truck. And as promised, I want to do a little bit of a shoot of the interior. I'm going to get into the back of the truck because I like to do these from the back because you can get a good view of the interior. Now this customer does have the 12-inch screen, and look at how crazy big that screen is. I kind of wanted to play with some of the buttons so you could see. Look at that, that climate control. Let's see that, man, look at that huge, huge screen. This truck is probably one of the nicest trucks I've ever been in. And I'm in the business of trucks, and I've been in a lot of them. This one is just super awesome. Super, super awesome. Take a look at those seats. There, package. Very cool stuff. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. Of course, my name is Trent. This is 4x4works.com in McKinney, Texas. I want to say thank you so much to Ryan, return customer, for bringing another truck back to us. If you've got something that you would like worked on, you have any questions, or just want to give me a shout, please give me a call, 469-424-002-HSS for Trent. Check me out online, 4x4works.com. Check out all my other videos. Please, please, please hit me up on Facebook, Instagram. If you would not mind clicking that like button and subscribing, that will help us out a lot in making future videos. Thank you all so much. Have a great day.